1.2 Isuzu here. I think it was a 3.2. Anyway, so the transmission has having issues, and what it's doing is it has reverse and it doesn't have any forward gears. So there's something that you want to try before you make this adjustment. You want to put in your winter button, push the button in, that winter button right there. And the winter button, the winter light will light up. If now you can move forward, then you could need this adjustment. And this is a band adjustment on the transmission. You have to drop the tranny pan. So let me get underneath there and I'm going to show you how to make this adjustment so that you're able to move forward now in all gears. And remember, this is if you have reverse and no forward gears. And when you put it in winter mode, you have forward gears, but it's kind of sluggish because winter mode, what it does is it lowers the fluid pressure inside the transmission so you don't slip the tires, so less chance of getting stuck. So I have the tranny pan off here. You're gonna need you a torque wrench that does inch-pounds, and that's what this is for. So I wanted to show you the entire process, but I already started the process. So what we've done so far is we've removed the transmission pan. I'm looking at this upside down. We've removed the transmission pan and the filter. And then these 4 bolts here, you're gonna remove this little cover right here. Then you're gonna back this nut off right here. And that's a 17 millimeter. Back it off to where it's loose. Then you're gonna put the Torx wrench in here on your Torx bit on the inch-pound torque wrench. And then hold this nut and you're gonna first crank this down by hand. Just go down to where it's not loose, not the nut, I'm sorry, the stud. Let me grab this here. So you're just gonna grab the torque bit, not the actual, I'm trying to get it off. But anyway, just the Torx bit, and just run it in by hand. Stick it in there and tighten it up by hand until it's no longer easy to turn, till it just bottoms out and just starts getting tension on it. Then at that point, you're gonna hold the nut with the 17 millimeter, and then you're gonna get your torque wrench and set it at 40 inch-pounds. And you're gonna tighten it down until it clicks. So if you have a digital, until it reads 40 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds, inch-pounds. And as soon as you get 40 inch-pounds, hold this nut with the wrench and back it off exactly 4 revolutions. Once you hit your 4th revolution, lock down the nut, and that's it. That's where that needs to be sitting. So the problem is that this has came out of adjustment and you can no longer build pressure going forward. And so that's the reason that it comes out of all your forward gears. You're not building fluid pressure. But when you put it into winter mode, it uses a different sequence pattern of where the fluid goes in order to get rid of your lower gears or your higher fluid pressure. And that's why you're allowed to move forward. It doesn't use that same fluid pressure. It reroutes the fluid pressure, if that makes sense. So I hope this helps somebody out. That transmission is a 4L30E. So I hope this helps somebody out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.